Hi everyone! Today, we're diving into a super useful project for anyone wanting more power on the go: how to safely connect a second battery in your car. Whether you're running a fridge for camping, powering extra lights for off-roading, or just need more juice for your accessories, a secondary battery system can be a game changer. It's a common upgrade, but it needs to be done right for safety and efficiency. Always remember, working with car electrical systems can be dangerous. If you're not comfortable, please consult a professional. Before you start, disconnect your main car battery's negative terminal. This is crucial for safety. First, let's talk about what you'll need for this project. You'll want a deep cycle battery for your second battery. These are designed for sustained power delivery, unlike your starting battery. You'll also need a sturdy battery tray to secure it, heavy gauge wiring, like 2 or 4 AWG, to handle the current, appropriate battery terminals, a battery isolator or a voltage-sensitive relay, VSR, high-quality fuses and fuse holders, and a good ground cable. The isolator or VSR is key. It ensures your main starting battery charges first and prevents your accessories from draining it, leaving you stranded. It also charges your second battery only when the engine is running. Now, let's get into the steps for connecting your system using an isolator or VSR. Step 1. Mount the second battery. Find a secure, dry place for your second battery, typically in the trunk, cargo area, or under the hood if space allows. Use your battery tray to bolt it down firmly. It must not move around. Step 2. Install the isolator/VSR. Mount your isolator or VSR close to either the starting battery or the auxiliary battery. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for mounting. Step 3. Run the main positive wire. Connect a heavy gauge positive wire from your main starting battery's positive terminal to the start battery input terminal on your isolator. Make sure to install a fuse very close to the starting battery end of this wire. This protects against short circuits. Step 4. Connect to the second battery. Run another heavy gauge positive wire from the auxiliary battery output terminal on your isolator to the positive terminal of your new deep cycle battery. Again, install a fuse close to the isolator or the auxiliary battery end of this wire. Step 5. Ground the second battery. Connect a heavy gauge negative cable from the negative terminal of your second battery to a good, clean chassis ground point in your vehicle. Ensure the connection is solid and free of paint or rust. Step 6. Connect the isolator's ground and trigger, if applicable. Most isolators need a ground connection. Some VSRs also need a small trigger wire connected to an ignition switched power source. This tells the VSR to activate only when the engine is running. Refer to your isolator's specific wiring diagram. Double-check all your connections. Ensure all terminals are tight and secure. Make sure all fuses are correctly installed. Reconnect your main car battery's negative terminal. Start your engine and let it run for a few minutes. Use a multimeter to check the voltage at both batteries. You should see both batteries charging once the engine is running and the isolator has engaged. When the engine is off, the isolator should open, preventing the second battery from draining your starting battery. That's a basic overview of how to set up a secondary battery system in your car. It's a fantastic upgrade for many uses. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more car modification guides and tips. We appreciate your support.